Hello all and welcome back to my channel Just 365 Stories, and today we'll be making Gobi Alu Paratha. So for that I have taken a pan, heat it and put some cumin seeds and green chili and then some garlic. I am doing it on an induction and you can see the temperatures on my screen. First of all, we will be adding our chopped cauliflower and saute it well for some time, and then we will add some salt and turmeric powder for the cauliflower. Then we are adding some spices to our stuffing and we will just keep it basic. So here I am adding the black pepper masala and the chicken masala. To that I am adding my mashed potato at the last, and while doing all this my temperature is set on 100 degrees, and after I have mixed everything well, then I will increase the temperature as I have done in the video. Finally I am adding salt for my mashed potato and I'll be mixing it well again. Our stuffing is almost ready. I am then removing the pan from the induction and I am adding 1 spoon of mixed pickle. Pickle adds a tanginess to the stuffing and I love it so much. And can you see how the stuffing is not so mashed and it's like separate. I love it this way. Time to put the stuffing into the paratha. So I have taken a big ball of the dough and I am rolling it halfway. Then I have taken 1 spoon of masala in the middle of the paratha and close the paratha as shown in the video. Then sprinkle some powdered flour and then put it on both the sides and gently keep pressing the stuffing to the sides of the paratha as well so that it's evenly spread. While evenly spreading, just keep in mind that you are pressing it gently outward so that the paratha also grows in the size. And after you have done it, you can take the help of the rolling pin to flatten the paratha a little bit to your desired size. Use some amount of flour as when required so that your paratha doesn't stick to the base. Sometimes our stuffing comes out of the paratha and it happens for 2 reasons. If you have taken a larger amount of stuffing or if your stuffing has a water content. And here my paratha is done. I am cooking both the sides on the pan, and after one side is done I am applying the oil and then flipping it over and applying oil to the other side as well. And I am doing all this on 900 degrees centigrade, and after a few minutes it's golden brown and I think my paratha is done. I am happy with the final outcome, how the paratha looks exactly golden brown, how I wanted. You can serve it with pickled curd or butter. I'll be showing one piece for you. Just see how evenly the stuffing is spread everywhere. Definitely give it a try and do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next vlog. Love you all. Bye bye.